arbejdsglæde.
Ninja babes! Oh shit! Ninja babes. I need to call. I need to call Chuck. This is Chuck. I need to get rid of some ninja babes.
Oh no, not the ninja babe from Danzak.
Yes, I need them to be bitch slapped. Help me, Chuck.
Okay, I will come.
Er vi jo så heldige, at vi har et job. Og det gælder jo også os herude på Danzak. Vi har et dejligt arbejde. Vi har så 3 små idéer til, hvordan man kan oppe en eventuel arbejdsglæde, man enten har eller ikke har. Det foregår sådan. Rejse armene højt op i luften. Tag en dyb indånding. Og sige højt og tydeligt.
Oh, you idiot! You don't get it! I've won! It's over! You're milk suckers! You don't matter! In fact, in a few seconds, you won't even be matter!
You're under arrest for violating sections 4153 of the Tycho Treaty.
So hand over whatever galaxy you might be carrying and step away from your busted-ass vehicle and put your hands on your head.
I say, I'll put my hands on my head. Like this?